Industrial Washing Machines Limited was founded by my father in the late 70s, and we've took the company on to a global stage. We won the Queen's Award for Export Achievement in 2014, and we've supplied nearly 60 countries around the world with various equipment from our range. What our name is, Industrial Washing Machines Limited, is exactly what we do. We specialise in the design, manufacture of all types of industrial washing equipment for the food, pharmaceutical, industrial, automotive and logistics sector. Got a very tried and tested range of machines, but we take those machines and we will adjust them, add certain items or components to make sure they fit the customer's either specification or application requirements. They all have various issues, be it the control of every day-to-day washing of items that need to be cleaned. It could be control of allergens in a food processing factory, i.e. nuts, soya, anything these days that people get allergic to. And we make machines that combat everything and basically give solutions to those customers. All our range is well represented on the website, and customers will be able to find everything they're looking for. They will also be able to find technical information for supporting their existing range of IWM equipment, as well as full spare parts information, service contacts, and any member of the IWM team that is there to offer you any assistance you may need.